Okay, so it's New Year's Eve, 2009, and we have about 1 minute left until New Year's. Look at this. We are on TV. 11:59. We have 1 minute countdown. Grandma and I are going to be heading outside and doing the banging of the pots and pans in just less than a minute here. We'll probably miss the ball dropping, but we're going to run outside. So here's Grandma Bev talking to Kieran and me. Here we go. Snorton sleeping. Duke is sleeping.
No, he's in bed.
Koi Koi.
He's just there and me. Or maybe her dad might be up.
Mom and Dad and Boo Boo.
Okay.
Oh, let's see how many seconds we have left. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Okay. Sarah.
Sarah.
Is that nut?